Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today, Hunt Vault sent another box over to us. But before we get into this box, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you get notified when I do release new content to the channel. It really helps out a bunch and I really do appreciate it. So yeah, let's check out and see what Hunt Vault sent over to us. Okay, so Hunt Vault. They are a subscription service. It is monthly. I will have a link to Hunt Vault in the description of this video. They are a family-owned company and also veteran-owned, and they do give veteran discounts. These boxes can be had for $160 a month if you just subscribe month to month. If you do a 12-month commitment, they knock $10 a month off, so you get them for $150. Effectively, you save $120 a year. So let's see what they sent over this month. Oh, wow. Okay. This isn't a monthly subscription box, guys. This is a... Hunt Vault actually reached out to me and said they sent me a little note here that says, hey, Brad, our team loves the YouTube unboxing videos you've done. Thanks for your support. Let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Team HV. So I forgot, that they said they were sending over something for me, and I really appreciate it. So guys at Team Hunt Vault, thank you. I really do appreciate it. It's nice, getting recognition when you start doing these YouTube videos and getting the interaction from you guys. When you comment on all the videos, I do greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments. I don't necessarily reply to all of them, but I do read them. So, yeah, thanks to Team Hunt Vault, and thanks to all of you watching these videos. It really, truly means a lot to me. So, let's see what Hunt Vault sent over. They sent me some packing material that makes really, really good tinder. This stuff, I love it when I used to get these in some old survival boxes. So, let's see. We got a stainless steel cup. Boy, that is thick. I don't know how good this is going to show up on the camera, but if you look, the thickness there, man, this thing is really thick. And it's got a cool, hopefully the glare won't be too bad. It's got a Hunt Vault logo on it. Man, that thing is stout. That is stout. Whew, I like that. I really like that. That's awesome. This is something that always, if you're a camper, this is always something that has a use. Let's see what else we got. We got a Hunt Vault hat. All right. It's black, so hopefully I'll try to get it to show up. It's got their Hunt Vault logo on it from Hunt Vault. And I tell you what I'm going to do. I've got a good place because I really don't, I'm trying not to wear hats as much. Because I've been told that I don't look as flattering when I wear a hat, so I'm trying to cut down on wearing the hats. But I tell you what I will do. I will add it to my shelf back here. So Team Hunt Vault, I'm going to give you a permanent place on my shelf, and I'll even put your mug over here too. But I will probably end up using that mug. And let's see, we got one more thing, which is, let's see what this is. We got us a shirt. And of course, Hunt Vault, they don't know. All right. This is a Hunt, it has a Hunt Vault tag on it. So yeah, got a shirt from them. All right, and it's got Hunt Vault on the sleeve here. Awesome. So yeah, it's a 3XL. I'm not quite that big of a guy, but it's okay. I'll still wear it with pride. And yeah, so guys, this is going to not be that long of a video because that was it. It was just some things that Hunt Vault sent over to show their appreciation for my videos, and I don't know what else to say. I greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you for watching. I really do. It means a lot to me. It gives me motivation to do these, and I really do like doing these videos. So yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not, I'll put a button up here, a next video over here. and, comment. And, like I said, I do read the comments. And hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.